Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a get ready with me, a late get ready with me, because I am taking some shots while getting ready, and just a little update on my life and my mental health and just how I've been doing, because I feel like I haven't told you guys how my life has been. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. Oh, and if you're new, please subscribe and like and have your post notifications on. Put your post notifications on to get notified every single time I post a new video. And let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Areli and I hope you stay. But let's just get into the video. So I want this to be like a real as fuck like get ready with me. Right now I am doing my eyebrows. Ugh, I can just feel when alcohol is going down. I don't know if you guys like experience this too, but sometimes I get in a mood where like I don't want to do anything. I know I have to do stuff, but I just sit there, procrastinate, and I know I have to do things. Like for example, I know how to do videos, but I literally would just like, I just get in the mood that I don't want to do anything, and it's annoying because then like later on, like the next day or the day after, I literally like hate myself for it because I'm like, oh my god, I should have done it, I'm so fucking stupid. Like, it's Saturday, I don't know what I'm doing. We'll see. You know what, let's do this. We're gonna do a shot for every single step of my makeup. So I just did conceal my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shot. I'm so scared to take this. Ugh. Oh my god, that hit me. That hit me like a bus. I'm gonna go with my minimize pore. Okay, I said it was a get ready with me, not a freaking tutorial. Let's see, what should we talk about? So let's just talk about my life lately. Actually, let me just say this. If you're new to my channel, hi. My name is Areli. For those of you who are wondering how to pronounce it, because I do know a lot of people cannot pronounce my name. It's Areli in English, but in Spanish, which I prefer, is Areli. So there you go if you're wondering. So lately, my life has been crazy. Let me just say, this is absolutely one of the worst years in my whole entire life. This year has been crazy, bro. I'm gonna be like 100% honest, because you know I feel like not a lot of people talk about these type of stuff, but I'm gonna be like real with y'all. I honestly am not like in the right state of mind, I would say. What the fuck, what happened? I have a bruise. Can y'all see that? What the hell? I get bruises like, I don't know how I get bruises. I just get bruises. Like, I just find bruises on myself. I'm like, what the fuck? If you hear the dogs, I'm sorry. They're fucking annoying and they won't shut up. I'm not happy with life. And like, I know I'll be good. I know like I'll be fine. I know everything will fall back into place sooner or later. But right now, life just sucks. That's honestly all I can say. Now I'm gonna go with foundation. I know a lot of you guys know already, and a lot of you guys probably don't know. I just really been through a lot this whole year. A lot of y'all know that I recently lost my dad. My dad passed away in March. And it sucks because 7 days after my birthday, no one is ever ready to say goodbye to their parents. Cause like, you know, that's just like a whole different other type of pain. You never get over it. It's a pain that you never get over. It's always gonna be there no matter what. You're always gonna miss, you know, I'm always gonna miss him, and it sucks, right? But it's life, and I can't do anything about it. Yeah, you know, it's the worst thing ever, and it's the worst thing to ever experience, especially when you're young. You want your parents to still be there for, you know, when you get married, when you graduate college, when you have your first kid, like all that type of stuff. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and the first shade that I went in with was this shade right here. Then I'm gonna go with this shade right here, this dark shade over here. It sucks, you know, because I'm not gonna experience a lot of things that other people would if they, like, you know, I'm not gonna experience like the whole walking to the aisle, my kids meeting their granddad and like, you know, small little things, you know. I'm not gonna be able to experience any of that stuff. Him being there for my graduation whenever I graduate college, you know, like, and it sucks, you know, but it's life, and I just gotta accept it, and everyone has to accept it at one point, you know, whenever the time comes. You know, that happened, and just stress. It's not easy being like in school and having a job and having to pay bills and all that stuff. It's not easy. Honestly, when I was 18, I remember I would tell my mom like all the time, like, when I turn 18, I'm moving out. I don't know what the fuck I thought adulthood was, but I did not think it was this. I need a break. I need to go on vacation and go somewhere far away, like far, like on the other side of the freaking world. I don't give a fuck where it's at. It can be Antarctica. I don't care. I will be happy with the penguins. Like, I don't care. I just need to go somewhere for a week and just, you know, like, you know what I mean? Like, y'all don't know, y'all don't understand, man. Like, whew. Obviously everyone has their own problems, but like, I wish God could just come and take all this weight off my shoulders and just wake up in Thailand or like Bora Bora or Hawaii or Mexico or like anywhere, Canada, freaking New York, who gives a fuck, anywhere besides where I'm at, you know, like anywhere. Like, I just need a vacation, preferably out of the US, you know, because I'm tired of seeing the US. I need to go to another country. I would do honestly anything in this world to see my dad one more time. Tell you the truth, I do not know how I was so strong to get through it. There's days that I like miss him and like I wish I could call him. It has happened before, you know, where like my mind, I guess my mind just doesn't remember or like, I don't know, it just doesn't click fast enough, and I, you know, tend to go get my phone to go call my dad, and then it's like, oh, you know, like, he's not here no more. I can't call him. And it sucks because, you know, like, I want to. I wish I could, but I can't. I just want to say that if you still have both of your parents, realize how lucky you are. Like, there's a lot of people, you know, a lot of people that don't, you know, that's something that like you don't think of, or you don't, like, it doesn't come to your mind, or you just don't want to think of, but like, it's life, you know. Be grateful for your parents. Like, life is so short. I always tell everyone I know, like, one day you're gonna wake up and your mom or your dad probably won't. I know it sounds sad, and I know it's something that nobody wants to think about, but you gotta realize, like, the arguments and all that stuff, get over it. Take advantage that you have your parents here still, or that you have one of your parents at least. I hate when I see people that treat their parents like shit. Like, bro, one day you're gonna regret it all, and it happens, and it's sad, you know. Like, it's sad that people like don't realize until their parents are finally gone that they, like, you know, regret everything, and you don't want to be like that, you know. You don't want to live with the regret for the rest of your life. So I always tell people I know, like, don't take advantage of your parents. Be grateful that you still have them, or that you still have at least one of them, and just find time for them. Like, your friends can wait, your boyfriend can wait, has to understand. Like, and if he doesn't, bitch, drop him. Why are you still with him? Recently my uncle passed away, and I was told on the day that I was filming my high part of my video. So if you noticed that my high part of my video was shorter, or that like my mood was just off, that was why. And I obviously didn't want to say in the video because, like, for personal reasons. This is my family's third death in a whole entire year, and I know it's not like a lot, but it really is a lot. Other than that, school's going good. I just feel like I'm not used to the environment. I'm not really used to being around like a lot of girls. Obviously, like I told you guys on my video of my first day of school, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I am doing cosmetologist, and it's mostly girls. So I'm not really used to a lot of girls, being around a lot of girls, simply because I grew up mainly around guy friends. Like, I grew up with a lot of guy friends, and it's just kind of weird, you know? Like, no shade or anything. Like, I don't have a problem with having girlfriends or anything, but girls are so dramatic, and I don't really like dealing with all the drama. My love life is pretty good right now. If you guys don't know, yes, I have a boyfriend. I have been with him for 4 years now. It's a long ass time. What else is in my life? Work. Bro, I am tired of where I work. My job is pretty easy. It's just the customers are like, I don't fucking know, bro. Like, they want you, they want the moon, the stars, the whole universe, the galaxy, everything handed to them. Like, god damn. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
I just work here. Shit, give me a fucking break. I got bills to pay, just like, you know, just like you. I don't got time to be like dealing with your nonsense. Like, shit, bro. Like, sometimes I just wanna cállate la pinche boca. Shit, they had a chingad, but you know, customer service. These people got me fucked up. Like, I get bored easily with jobs, and it sucks because I try to keep them. I mean, I'm good at keeping my job, you know, my jobs. Like, I remember when I worked at Zaxby's, I was there for like a pretty long time, and that place was toxic as shit. But yeah, where I work, I don't know, bro. Like, I have like the most easiest job. Well, I don't know exactly. Okay, so I like my job, but I just don't like. My job's easy. It's just, it's really stressful, and it's annoying as hell, and it's stupid. Like, the amount of dumb people there is in the world, you guys would like be surprised. I remember one time someone called my job and asked, literally asked.
I was just calling to find out what's your guys' phone number?
Excuse me? I literally like just stood there and I was like, the phone number you just called, like, I really didn't say it like that, but like, I work with a lot of nerds. I really do. I work with a lot of nerds. I think it's funny though. Most of them be talking about like some type of animated characters and shit, and I'm just like, bro, I don't know. I don't watch that shit. You know, I'm Mexican. I watch novelas and La Rosa de Guadalupe because my parents made me watch that shit for life lesson. Oh shit. Hello? Some weird ass show, I don't know. It was going viral. Night of the Thorns, Night of the Thorns? I don't know. Princess of Thorns? Some shit Thorns. And I was like, I don't watch that shit. I don't even know what the fuck that is. If you watch that, I'm not trying to call you a nerd, but I'll give you a shout out if you can guess where I work at. Yeah, it's basically what's been happening in my life. I'm trying to be consistent with my videos, but it just got really harder now since I'm going to school and I go straight to work afterwards, and I don't get out till like late or like 9, and by the time I get home, I'm like really tired. And I honestly don't know how I did it when I was in high school, because I used to be out longer, but I'm getting older and now like I just want to sleep. I really hope you guys don't find this video boring, because I'm sorry if it is. Alright guys, so that's it for my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I go, let me go ahead and take another shot because I feel like I didn't take enough. So I'm gonna die. Oh shit, here's one shot for me and you. That's it for my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video, and make sure you have your post notification on to get notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.